Introducing the challenger, Amanda Nunes!
Amanda Nunes is probably the most aggressive striker in female mixed martial arts. The way she took out Shayna Baszler in seconds, the way she destroyed Sarah McMahon, dropped her with the right hand, choked her out, then went the distance with 17-time world champion kickboxer Valentina Shevchenko. It's absolutely ridiculous. If this lady comes tomorrow night and wins this, a star will be born. She has gone from mid-card level to being a household name in mixed martial arts.
For the challenger! And her opponent, the reigning, defending, undisputed bantamweight champion of the world, Miesha Tate!
Well, Miesha Tate will be the last person to walk out tomorrow night. She was also the last person to hit the scale this morning. The story is that Miesha rolled in at about 9:59, right before the 10 a.m. cutoff. She did, in fact, need the towel to make the weight, but she made the championship limit, and she is ready to rock against Amanda Nunes.
Official weight 134.5 for the champion!
Here we go. That's what we like to see. A little shoving and pushing, a little aggression.
All right, I'm here with the challenger, Amanda Nunes. Amanda, you have been one of the best bantamweights in the world for a long time. You get your shot at the title tomorrow night. Give us your thoughts on this fight.
I'm very happy to this moment in my career, and I'm 100% sure I'm gonna take this belt tomorrow. Be ready, guys.
Good luck to you, ma'am. I'm here with the champion, Miesha. It was just a little over a year ago that you were wondering about your future in this sport. Now here you are, the champion, headlining the biggest pay-per-view in the history of the sport. What does this feel like to you?
Oh, I'm so excited. I'm gonna go out there tomorrow, you guys, and I'm gonna rip her heart out of her chest. I'm gonna stomp on it, and I will be the reigning champion. This is a crazy turn of events. Thank you guys all so much for being here.
Good luck to you, ma'am. We'll see you tomorrow night. Miesha Tate, ladies and gentlemen, thank you all for coming out to the UFC 200 weigh-ins. We'll see you tomorrow.
Only Metro PCS brings you closer than ever to UFC 200.